i35equipment.com. Today we're watching a Xcmg 210 CU hydraulic track excavator with a hydraulic thumb. They're just going to pull out a few of these scrub oak trees and load up in the back of this John Deere 250D off-road articulating dump truck. Making quick work of pulling these trees down. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of consignment heavy equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. We specialize in consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, give us a call or fill out a form on the website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. You know, if you get your machinery sold, i35equipment.com. That Xcmg is powered by a Cummins diesel motor. No DEF required, always a great feature. Has switchable control patterns, low hours, one owner. Of course, like I said, and you can see it has a hydraulic thumb on it, which is fantastic for pulling trees, sorting scrap, loading rocks, sorting through some concrete, doing demolition work. The tree's a little bit bigger than the truck, so he's just trying to get his sides up there. Familiar with the Xcmg brand, they are the third largest manufacturer of heavy equipment in the entire world. They recently held contracts to build machines for some of the bigger, more known companies. They've established a network of dealers in America. They're growing in popularity under their own name now. Lots of power from that 210 with the Cummins diesel. Appreciate you watching. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to our videos and our channel. We upload new videos of equipment coming in all the time. Like I said earlier, you can get full update inventory of equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a wonderful day.